I've just spoken to Blessed Mhlanga's lead lawyer, Chris Mike, for an update on the case. Sanabana mashoko inomura iri an update ayo pa issue Blessed Mhlanga muzoti is a senior journalist we HSTV kana kuti Alpha Media Holdings. Pana pamuza kuti aiwa nyika yose inoziva kuti mukomana uyu aiwa zvikanyasogarwa pasi aana mhosva, but now ari kukwidzwa nekudzikisiwa achingotenderedzwa but vanhu vanyatsokuziva kuti mukomana uyu he was just doing his work. Sanabana mashoko abudanyika pana pana upo chimono notebook subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda paindo pakamulanyira chiti. He explained that after Blessed Mhlanga was denied bail last week at the Magistrates Court, they approached the High Court for bail. The initial bail appeal hearing was on Monday, but the state requested more time until yesterday, and the judge granted their request. Yesterday, back in court, the state argued that Blessed Mhlanga could not be granted bail because the video evidence they have against him is strong. Chris Mike countered that court could not deny him bail based on evidence it has not seen. The judge, Justice Gibson Mandasa, postponed the bail hearing indefinitely yesterday to allow him to decide on the video issue. Today, Mike returned to court and was told that the judge would call them as soon as he has made his decision on the video issue. Only then will the bail hearing proceed. I do not comment before courts have ruled on an issue, so let us wait to hear what the judge says. Ndomashkwamda toka pana upo chikono uposta this picture ramuru kuona na Blessed Mhlanga na lawyer wake Chris Mike aiwa na the prison officer wamuru kuona oyo at court. Ndomashkwamda pana toka na upo chikono zviri kubuda pachena kuti ma courts they are relying pane video evidence avasina kana kumboona na vari kuti the video evidence is strong but the video evidence yacho aipo. Mbodza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section menu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like,